Assalamualaikum.
Hello students, today we are going to do numericals of chapter 2, that is mathematics. So this is numerical 2.2. A car is moving with an average speed of 72 km per hour. How much time will it take to cover a distance of 360 km? So let's write. First of all, we have to write the data, given data. Okay, a car is moving with the average speed. We will write average speed and write the symbol 72 kilometer per hour. And then how much time? We will write time in point to cover a distance. Distance is given. We represent distance with S, 360 kilometer per hour. As answer is given in hours, so there is no need to convert it. Otherwise, you have to change into their SI units. So this is given data. Now write to find. We have to find time. In small t we have to represent time. Now solution. What is the relation between distance, time and speed? So that is distance is equal to speed, average speed multiplied by time. In symbols we represents et into is equal to s. So s is given, put the value of s, that is 360. There is no need to write this unit right now, but at the end in answer you must have to write the unit. But in calculation there is no need to write the units. Speed is given, that is 72, and time you have to find. As time is multiplied here, when it will go to other side, it will the function the operator will be changed. Multiplication change into radian. So by using calculator or by memory, we can write in 12 table. 12 sets are 72 and 12 threes are so 30 over 6, and that is 6 ones are 6, 6 fives are. So this is time as unit given in hour, time is 5 hour. This is your answer. So student, this is next numerical 2.3. So first of all we have to write given data. So for it, read this question. Our truck start from rest. From rest, it means that first it was at rest position. So from rest, and it reaches a velocity of 90 kilometers velocity. It means that it was in rest mode, so its speed will be would be initial speed or initial velocity will be 0. Okay, and this is the final velocity. We present with MEF, and that is 90 km per hour in 50 seconds. Time is given 50 seconds. Now look, in this velocity is given in r. So we have to convert it into SI unit because time is given in SI unit. So we have to convert this velocity in meter per second. For it, we have to multiply with 1000 and divide by 3600. 0 will cut, but now this is 900 over 36. So after using calculator, we will write over here. Write its answer. That is, now I change this velocity into meter per second. SI unit we have to find, but we have to find average as needed. So we write to find. You can use other marker, and we have to find average acceleration. Now find solution. So we have acceleration, velocity and time. So acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. We can write this as. So now we will put the values. We have is 25 and initial velocity was 0 and time is 50 seconds. So 25 over 50. 25 ones are 25 twos are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. So acceleration unit is meter per second square. Now student, this is next question. These are values of smart syllabus. So 2.6, a wagon is moving on a road with a velocity of 54 km per hour. एक गाड़ी है, वैगन है जो कि 54 km पर आवर की स्पीड से, वेलोसिटी से मूव कर रही है और अचानक से क्या होता है, ब्रेक्स आर अप्लाइड सडनली. Then the wagon covers a distance 25 km/h before stopping. स्टॉप करने से पहले कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करती है, जब ब्रेक अप्लाई करने से पहले वो डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही है 25 किलोमीटर. सो डिटरमाइन द एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ द वैगन, हमें एक्सेलरेशन फाइंड करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट द गिवन डेटा. So velocity, that velocity will be initial or final? Initial velocity, because after that brakes are applied and then velocity will become 0. That will be final velocity and this is initial velocity. So initial velocity is Bi is equal to 54 km per hour. We have to convert this into SI unit. For it we have to multiply with 1000 because distance we have to find in meters. So in 1 kilometer 1000 meters are there and 1 hour 36 hours 3600 seconds. So it will change into meter per second. 5 nines are and 5 fours are. So this is 10 over 4. Actually write in with calculator its answer. And initial final velocity is Vf, that is 0 because brakes are applied, and distance is that is 25 kilometer, that is 25,000 meter. Now we have to find, I write it by using calculator. I tell you answer. To find, we have to find the acceleration. Solution. First of all, I have to use the calculator and tell its initial velocity. So, student, this was 90 instead of 10. 90. 90 over 4 is 50 meter per second. Now we have to find the solution and how in this formula these all are given. If you remember, velocity, final velocity and acceleration and distance is given in third equation of motion, that is 2as is equal to vx square minus vi square. So our initial final velocity is 0 and initial velocity is 15. So 0 is 0 minus 15 square is 225 and 2 acceleration we have to find, the distance is 25,000. So that is 50,000 into A. Student, this distance is in meter. This distance is given in meter. I thought it is kilometer. No, this is 25 meter. So this is already in SI unit. There is no need to convert it. So this is 25. Okay. 25 to the 50 A. So A is equal to minus 225 over 50. So our answer is minus 4.5. SI unit of expression is meter per second square. This negative sign show because deceleration retardation is produced because you have applied brake over here. So this is numerical 2.6.